Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. Let's start our lecture. Here we have bridging. I hope all of you have solved it, and here's the answer of that bridging. We have BLIFT number 45, in which we have learning outcome: identify any silent letters, suffixes and prefixes in the word to facilitate reading. Let's revise the concept of silent letters and suffixes and prefixes, which we have learned in our previous lectures. Silent letters are not pronounced in a word. For example, ni. Here the word K is silent. In doubt, we do not pronounce the sound of P. In castle, the word T is silent. And if you talk about suffixes is added to the end of a word to change its meaning. For example, when we add ly in our word, for example, we add ly with quick, it will become quickly and it will become an adverb. What are prefixes? A prefixes is added to the beginning of a word to alter its meaning. Commonly, we use un, re, and we add it in the start of the word to make its meaning changed. Here we have a text. I will read it and you have to identify the silent letters, prefixes and suffixes in this text. By the evening of October 9th, Asad and other had recovered as many as 80 bodies, including those of his 2 younger siblings and 5 nephews. Asad Khan realized that although there are no guarantees of safety during an earthquake, advanced planning can save lives, reduce injuries and minimize property damage. Here are some precautions to follow to minimize the damages from earthquake. Now you have to pause the video and find prefixes and suffixes and those words which have silent letters in it. I hope you have found it. And here are some silent letters, prefixes and suffixes which are present in this part of the text. Read the whole text and then your task is to solve these questions in your practice book after comprehending the text. And then you have homework. You have to solve these questions at your home. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you. Allah Hafiz.